Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ankur Jaswar here. So today we are going to check about the ARCore app, that is Depth Lab. It's been rated as a top weekly app by Android Authority. So we are going to check how this app works. It's a pretty fun app to play with. It's around augmented reality. It helps you or makes you create things within a real world and the unreal world. So let's see how it is. So this is my room here. You see that wall, the mirror, and you have a lot of options in this app. So whenever you open the app, there's no subscription as such, but you can see immediately shows my room and there's a pointer around circled. How it interacts with the objects around. So that machine, right, and the wall behind, you see it turns around to map itself on that particular surface. So that door behind, you see it's plain on the wall, but it changes its shape and aligns itself with the object that is there. Now this is a material wrap. It's more or less uh, I'm trying to understand why it's used the way, but it is what it is. Now depth map is one of the important feature. You see this is my bed below. It's highlighted in dark red and the other one behind is light orange. It takes a bit time to load into the next stuff, but yeah, it's a good thing. It's still in development and it's good to play with around. Now this was the thing you must have seen before the start of the video, and it's like I'm throwing a ball and it's hitting the surface behind. Now you see it reaches the wall and it bursts, so it understands the depth between your phone and the wall behind. Now this is a collider. It doesn't burst on hitting, but it hits the wall and falls down. So you see it interacts differently with different objects. If I hit on right side of the machine, it will go on the right. If I hit on the left, it will go on the left. This one's an interesting thing. It's a laser that I am shooting, and since light reflects on surfaces on a particular angle, you see how this laser reflects from that. I'm not following the laser, but I like how it's bending on a particular angle and it's not just stopping there. You see on the machine it reflects on the left side. So this is a nice augmented reality app and it understands what needs to be done. This is also a nice thing, a flying object, right? And this also interacts with differently. The best thing about this is the shadow behind. Now it understands where the light is. Relighting is next. I don't know why this is useful, but it creates a disco scene. Next one is fog. Uh, and I'll try using this in a garden or a forest area because at home it doesn't show much. This is one interesting thing, the snowfall. Uh, Now this is inside the room, so it might look unrealistic, but it creates a nice snowflakes in my room. This one's a best feature with rain. It creates nice raindrops on my bedroom and hits the surface correctly. Now it's a focus thing. Uh, it's more like a blur and portrait. Good thing to see, and you can see how the borders become blur. Now this is a water thing. At particular surface, it gets water. This is object placements. You can just place something around your room, and it will identify how much depth it has to play. So thanks guys, this is it.